ready to unlock exclusive benefits and supercharge your crypto trading. Today, we're diving into exactly how to become a verified merchant on Bybit, opening doors to increased trust and greater trading opportunities. First, understand the requirements. Bybit merchant status isn't just handed out. You'll need a proven track record. You'll need to achieve a minimum average monthly trading volume on the P2P platform, typically around a certain USDT equivalent, which you can find on Bybit's official page. Make sure your KYC verification is at least level 2 or higher. Next, you'll need a clean history and high customer satisfaction score. Ensure your account is secure, enable two-factor authentication, create an anti-phishing code, and regularly update your security settings. Now it's time to complete the application. Head over to the Bybit website or app, find the Become a Merchant section, usually located under the P2P trading area or account settings. Fill out the application form thoroughly and honestly. Be prepared to provide details about your trading experience, your strategies, and the amount of capital you intend to trade. The more information, the better. Now it's time to play the waiting game. The Bybit team will review your application, which can take a few days to a couple of weeks. Make sure to regularly check your email and notifications for updates. Once approved, congratulations, you're a verified Bybit merchant. Now, enjoy the benefits of increased trust, higher trading limits, and access to exclusive merchant features. Remember to maintain high customer service, follow Bybit's guidelines, and continue building a strong reputation to keep your merchant status.